What does it mean to build AI responsibly? 73% of consumers perceive very significant risks in AI. Businesses aren't much better, right? Although they may want to use AI or say they're using AI, 61% say that they're concerned about their ability to explain AI-powered decisions. Bankers are basically saying 75% want stronger guardrails around their use of AI. Responsible AI is built on a set of pillars that establish that you've taken the time and the seriousness to build models appropriately. I talk about 4 pillars when I talk about responsible AI: robust AI, interpretable AI, ethical AI, auditable AI. That's the ultimate sort of transparency and honesty around being responsible with AI. Everyone makes mistakes. The point is that we are recording that to the blockchain, so we have a full immutable record of what those mistakes were and what that journey looked like.
The big opportunity is try to make AI more accountable for their actions. If we combine AI with blockchain, there will be an opportunity to make those models more fair, understand an AI model deeply enough, but also blockchain deeply enough to combine those two.
We need to understand the risks, we need to understand the guardrails. We need to focus on what are the right applications, we need to focus where do we apply, and we'll be fine.
The whole topic is blockchain and AI, and this is why the combination of these two technologies is actually quite compelling. It's a really strong fit because then you can at least have some sort of built-in governance mandate from the ground up, from the data up.